How do tinnitus masking hearing aids work? The science and benefits frequently asked questions. How quickly will I notice improvement with tinnitus masking hearing aids? Are there any side effects associated with using masking devices? Can I stream music or phone calls through my tinnitus masking hearing aids? Will my tinnitus worsen if I remove my hearing aids temporarily? How often will I need to replace my tinnitus masking hearing aids? Can tinnitus masking hearing aids completely cure tinnitus? No, tinnitus masking hearing aids cannot completely cure tinnitus. These devices provide management and relief rather than elimination of the condition. While many users experience significant reduction in tinnitus awareness and related distress, the underlying neural mechanisms that generate tinnitus remain present. The goal of these devices is to make tinnitus less noticeable and less bothersome, improving quality of life rather than providing a permanent cure. Some users do experience periods where they don't notice their tinnitus at all, but this represents successful management rather than medical elimination of the condition. How long should I wear my tinnitus masking hearing aids each day? For optimal results, most audiologists recommend wearing tinnitus masking hearing aids during all waking hours. Consistent daily use promotes faster habituation and more substantial neuroplastic changes in auditory processing. Particularly during the initial 3-6 months of treatment, consistent exposure to masking sounds helps establish new neural patterns that can reduce tinnitus awareness even during periods when the devices aren't worn. Your audiologist may recommend specific usage patterns based on your tinnitus characteristics and lifestyle needs. Will my tinnitus get worse if I remove my hearing aids? Temporarily removing your tinnitus masking hearing aids will not cause permanent worsening of your tinnitus. You may notice your tinnitus seems more prominent immediately after removing the devices, a phenomenon called the rebound effect. But this represents a temporary contrast effect rather than actual intensification of the tinnitus. This perception typically diminishes within minutes as your brain readjusts. Many masking device users notice less tinnitus even without them, suggesting helpful brain changes. The brain essentially learns to better ignore the tinnitus signals over time, a process facilitated by consistent device use. Patient experience. After wearing my masking hearing aids for about 8 months, I noticed something remarkable. I forgot them one weekend during a camping trip. And while I initially panicked, I realized my tinnitus wasn't dominating my awareness like it used to. It was still there when I paid attention to it, but it wasn't controlling my thoughts or preventing me from enjoying nature. That's when I knew the therapy was working beyond just the hours I wear the devices. Michael T., 58. Can I use tinnitus masking hearing aids if I don't have hearing loss? Yes. Tinnitus masking devices are available for individuals without hearing loss. These specialized devices, sometimes called sound generators or tinnitus instruments, provide masking sounds without amplification. They're designed specifically for tinnitus sufferers with normal hearing who don't require traditional hearing aid functionality. Some audiologists may recommend open-fit hearing aids with minimal amplification, even for those with clinically normal hearing, as slight enhancement of environmental sounds can provide additional tinnitus relief through enriched acoustic environments. What's the difference between tinnitus masking and tinnitus retraining therapy? Tinnitus masking and tinnitus retraining therapy, TRT, represent different approaches to tinnitus management, though they often employ similar technology. Masking focuses on covering or partially obscuring tinnitus awareness through competing sounds, providing immediate relief during device use. The masking sounds are typically adjusted to a level where they effectively reduce tinnitus perception, potentially completely covering the tinnitus sound. Tinnitus retraining therapy, developed by Dr. Powell Jastroboff, combines low-level sound therapy with structured counseling in a more comprehensive neurophysiological approach. TRT uses low-level sound to help the brain treat tinnitus as a neutral, ignorable stimulus. The counseling component addresses emotional and reactive aspects of tinnitus perception. Many modern tinnitus management programs incorporate elements of both approaches, using masking for immediate relief while working toward long-term habituation through consistent exposure to therapeutic sounds along with our highly recommended natural supplement. Your audiologist can help determine which approach or combination might best address your specific needs.